from the Citrus County Library System, and today I have a special holiday experiment for you called Grow the Grinch's Heart. You remember in the story, The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, his heart grew 3 sizes bigger? Well, today we're going to show a way that his heart could have grown. Now we know it grew with love, but today we are going to do some science experiment. First, I'll go over some of the supplies that you'll need if you'd like to do this experiment at home. You're going to need a spoon, a green balloon, a red marker, empty water bottle, some white vinegar, and baking soda. All right, are you ready to have some fun? First, we will go ahead and draw a heart on our green balloon. So let's see. I'm not a very good artist, but I will give this a good try. I'm sure you at home are a lot better. Okay, so I'm gonna draw him a nice heart. He doesn't have to be too big because remember, we're making his heart grow. Let's draw a nice little heart for him. Oh, so cute. You can make it a little bit bigger. All right. So I drew a little heart. Now, a word of advice, we need to let it dry for a little bit. I actually already had one prepared. It was a little bit bigger. So we've got our heart. Now, we will need to put some vinegar in our water bottle. How much vinegar should we put? Well, you really don't need to measure it out, but as a guideline, there are these little grooves at the bottom of the water bottle. So we are going to pour in probably to about the second or third. So let's see. Try to be real precise. Doesn't have to be exact. That seems about good. All right, now comes the real fun part. We get to fill our balloon with some baking soda. So let's see. And again, there's no exact science with that. Open this guy up a little bit more, get us a little more room. All right. Oh, this is the messy part. This part's going to be very messy. So I kind of learned if you take your balloon, you can kind of make it a little bit bigger. And then the baking soda will fit right in. Oh, some goes on the table, but that's okay because baking soda is perfectly fine. Oh, how much baking soda do you think we should put in there? Maybe a couple spoonfuls. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Nice and messy. Lots of fun. All right, let's get a little bit more to put in our balloon. Whoops. We can always just scoop it right off the table. Got lots of extra. Let's put maybe another little spoonful. We really want our Grinch's heart to grow nice and big. Okay. Got our heart. So we want to make sure we're ready. So we'll put our heart, let me move this out of the way so you can see. We'll put our little heart right on like that. We got our balloon on. Now we're going to tip our balloon up and let the vinegar and the baking soda mix. Oh my goodness, do you see it? Oh wow, his heart is really growing. How big is his heart going to grow? Whoa. Maybe it grew more than 3 times the size. Wow. Look at how big his heart grew. Isn't that exciting? Now you probably wonder, why did the Grinch's heart grow? How did we get it to the balloon to grow like this? Well, the combination of the vinegar and the baking soda formed a gas called carbon dioxide, which filled up the balloon. This gas is the same gas that is in your favorite carbonated drink. All right, so this was Grow the Grinch's Heart. I hope you had a lot of fun watching and maybe try it at home.